Hello drone video fans, my name is Bill. In this 6-minute video we're going to be flying around the deserted Geneva on the Lake Marina. As you can see, there's snow on the ground. It's mostly melted. We had a day where we sort of had some sun, and the air temperature was around 40 degrees, but the lake temperature is about 34. As a matter of fact, when we're flying around here later on in the video, you're going to see some ice covering areas of the marina here, and when this marina gets a hard freeze on it, ice fishermen come out here and chop a hole in the ice and do some fishing. Anyways, we're heading out here out over the marina, and we're coming up onto some areas where they normally park the boats, and you can see the electrical setups and satellite TV dish hookups and stuff for some of the boats that are out here are pretty laid out. But as we head out over the last one here, we're gonna go out towards the channel which leads out to Lake Erie. As we're going along here on the lake, you're going to see a couple of ducks. I think 3 ducks swimming around here. There they are right there, and when we come back you'll be able to see them as well. There's the lighthouse, which I've featured in a video in the past, and that's on the right, and on the left of the channel going out is a weather station which transmits weather data out to fishermen who might be out in the lake. We're turning now to the west, and that beach you see there is where there's surprisingly a guy walking, is the beach area here. But of course, with the water being 34 degrees, not many takers on going to the beach. We turn back around now and heading back in towards the marina, and you'll see the little ducks again. There they are in the lower left, and we're going to swing around here and follow along the part where they have the temporary dockage for boats that are just coming into safe harbor for a short period of time, and they usually park them along this wall over here. And as we go along here, remember I mentioned the water is right around 34 degrees, so it does get pretty chilly over here. But if you look at the water as we get closer to the back wall over here, you're going to see ice starting to form on top of it. There goes a seagull, and here's some ice covering on it. It's breaking up a little bit, but I think if we have a couple more cold days, we'll get a solid cover. Not solid enough to walk out over it, but it'll be probably not until January where the ice gets that solid. So these small docks here on the right are for small rafts or personal watercrafts, like those Ski-Doo jet ski things. They usually park those right along here, and we're coming along here, and this entire marina, by the way, was built by the Army Corps of Engineers back in about 1990. We're flying over some more dockage area space. In the distance you can see a cell phone tower, and you can see a couple of buildings there which they have for the boaters that have supplies in their food and whatnot. And the gasoline and diesel pumps that are on this next floating dock over here are they've taken down and covered over with plastic for the winter. So you can see again there's snow along some of these dock areas, but probably going to melt over the next day or two, and then as we have a small warm up, and then after that we're supposed to return to the freezing temperature. So we're getting up here back to the boat launch ramp where I took off at, and you can there's a room for people, up to 6 people, to put their boats in. See a car parked there, and people come down here regularly to just park their car down there and look at the lake. And there's me standing by my little car. And again, we're just going to pan around here. You can see the commissary stores there, and a wide shot of the marina itself. And that's pretty much it. We just wanted to get a quick shoot in while the weather was fairly decent and not freezing cold on my fingers. So thanks for stopping by and watching. We'll try to get another video up if the weather permits. And I'm glad I got to use the Phantom. It's the first time using it in about 5 months. Thanks for stopping by, and come back again soon.